Good day folks, Jim Langens here from FX Charts with the currency outlook for the Finance News Network for Thursday the 4th of October. It's been a pretty quiet session overall really, with the US dollar mildly bid on the back of slightly improved data, but most currencies are pretty much within their range of recent days and look likely to remain so really until at least until we get the interest rate decisions later on today from both the ECB and the Bank of England. So we've got the euro at 129 the figure, not doing an awful lot. Dollar yen's a little bit higher at 78.5. Sterling's looking a bit heavy, it's at 116 3/4, and there's some speculation that the Bank of England might actually cut by 25 basis points today, or possibly increase their quantitative easing program. But at the moment, sterling it looks a little bit soggy, and it could possibly head down towards 160 1/4. Dollar Swiss is at 93.85. That's not doing an awful lot. The Aussie's heavy, of course, but it remains above 102. After yesterday's trade data, it pushed the Aussie down, but it's stopped above good bids at 101.65. That currently holds. If we do see a break of that later in the day, we'll probably head towards 101. We get the retail sales data later on this morning. But at the moment we're holding 102, and the short-term chart's a little bit oversold, so we could see a little bit of a squeeze up towards 102.70. But it'll be the retail sales that really drive it today. The Kiwi likewise, that's been dragged down a little bit lower by the weaker Aussie, and that's currently sitting at 81.90. So that's about it. It all looks pretty quiet. The retail sales will be the highlight. In Asia today, it's still China's Golden Week, so they're all out. And then we'll have to wait for the interest rate decisions later on in the European session. So that's really about it today, data-wise. Tomorrow, of course, we get the non-farm payrolls. And it could actually be that if the Bank of England and the ECB remain unchanged, the currencies aren't going to do very much, and it'll all depend on the US unemployment data tomorrow. That'll give us some direction late in the week. But that's really about it today. If you want a more comprehensive outlook on the markets, go to the website as usual, www.fxcharts.com.au. And that aside, please just remember that any outlook mentioned here is a personal view only, not intended to be used as trading advice. So that's all for today. Have a very good one, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Cheers.